Hey, you! Are you searching for that hidden secret that will magically solve all your hair problems? Well, you came to the wrong place. I don't have it.
What I do have is a list of my favorite curly hair products that are currently working for my hair type. Hi, my loves. My name is Crystal Pearl, and my hair type is between 3B and 3C. I have searched for countless hair products in the search for healthy hair. Now, before we get into it, please don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can give you guys the best content. Okay, so I know you're using a plastic hairbrush, and we're gonna stop that immediately. We're gonna change that to a wooden brush. Not only are the bristles soft and gentle, but they help to distribute the oils evenly to your hair. And because there's more space in between, this leads to less breakage, less frizz, and less damaged hair. And we want hair that's healthy, shiny, and beautiful at all times. Now, though it's good to clean your hair, it's far more important to condition your hair. And my favorite product of all time has always been Garnier Fructis Triple Nutrition. Now, I love this conditioner because not only is it at my local drugstore and I don't have to go searching for it, it has a vegan formula, it's paraben-free, which means manufacturers like to add ingredients into our products to extend the shelf life, and it has none of that. And it also has 3 essential oils: avocado, olive, and almond. And it leaves my hair looking healthy, strong, and beautiful. Now, I love oils. I really love oils. I really, really love oils.
Oh my God! Wow!
Now, not only do I use oils in my food and in my skin, but I also use it in my hair. Now, what's so special about oils? Well, they have fatty acids in them that we find in our avocado, our nuts, and our salmon that just help with keeping us healthy and strong. Now, I purchased this hair growth oil at Sally's, and I love it because it has 7 main ingredients that are essential to our hair growth. It has green coffee oil, black castor oil, and rosemary oil, just to name a few. Now, what I love to do is grab some oil at night and stimulate my scalp. And what I've noticed is that it has helped with my hair growth, and it has helped to protect my hair against any heat damage. The products you use to style your hair is really important as it sets what type of hairstyle are you gonna have. Now, I have tried gels and lotions and hairsprays and mousses, but my favorite has always been a good mousse. Now, my favorite is Tresemme Flawless Curls Moisturizing Mousse. This has avocado and coconut oil, and it leaves my hair looking bouncy and full of volume. And it leaves it without that crunch that we all had back in the day. And now, for my word of tip. Now, I'm not a doctor, so please make sure first that you check with your medical provider and get your hormones checked, because if you are vitamin deficient, this tip will help you. Now, on a daily basis, I drink lots of water, eat lots of fruits and vegetables, and I take my vitamins. But what I do use when I start to see that my hair isn't growing the way it's supposed to is I take these prenatal once daily vitamins from Sprouts. Now, you can find these in your drugstore. They're meant for women who are pregnant. So what I do is I take this once a day, and I take it for a couple of months until I start to see that my hair is growing, and then I shift back to my multivitamin. And I see my hair growing like a Wolverine. Thank you so much for watching, my loves. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you guys all so much for watching. Mwah!